Hi everyone, welcome back to Startup Growth Hub, your one-stop destination for everything startup and entrepreneurship. I'm Startup Coach Manoj, and today we are diving into an exciting topic: how AI can transform your startup and help you scale like never before. Whether you are a solopreneur or leading a growing team, the right tools can make all the difference. Stick around till the end because I have got something special to supercharge your startup journey. Let's get started. First on our list is ChatGPT by OpenAI, and honestly, it's like having a personal assistant who never sleeps. Let me break it down. Imagine you have just landed a potential investor and they need a detailed email explaining your business model. Instead of spending hours crafting the perfect email, ChatGPT can do it for you in seconds. But it is not just about email. ChatGPT can help you in draft blog posts that resonate with your audience, answer customer support queries, saving you from repetitive tasks. Even brainstorm unique marketing ideas when you are stuck in the creative nut. One pro tip: use ChatGPT to create personalized pitches for investors or clients. Feed it specific inputs about your audience and watch it work its magic. I have personally used it for creating workflows and planning content strategies. It's a productivity booster like no other. Now let's talk about Notion AI, a tool that takes your team collaboration to the next level. Startups thrives on efficiency, and Notion AI ensures you're organized, productive, and focused. Here is what it does: automatically summarize your meeting notes so you don't miss a thing. Generate to-do list and timelines based on project details you input. Help create structured knowledge bases for your team so onboarding new members is seamless. Imagine you have got a product launching coming up. You need to manage content creation, marketing plans, and sales outreach. With Notion AI, you can consolidate all of that in one place while having AI assist with organizing and streamlining the process. What I love most about Notion AI is how it supports creative workflows. Need a project roadmap or brainstorm ideas for a new campaign? It's like a virtual brainstorming partner. Now let's focus on Jasper AI, a dream come true for anyone struggling with content creation. Marketing is often one of the most challenging part of running a startup, especially when you have limited resources. Jasper AI changes the game by writing engaging blog posts tailored to your audience, crafting scroll-stopping social media captions, creating ad copy that converts. Here is an example. Suppose you are launching a new product and need a landing page that grabs attention. You can use Jasper AI to generate the entire page copy, complete with headlines, benefits, and call to action text, everything. And here is something cool. Jasper understands your brand voice. You can feed it examples of your previous content and it will create fresh material that aligns perfectly with you. As a founder, this tool saves you hours and ensures your marketing is top notch, even if you don't have a dedicated marketing team. Next, if you're using video marketing, and you should be, Descript is the tool you cannot ignore. Video editing is often time consuming and expensive, but Descript simplifies everything. Here is how. You can edit videos as easily as editing a Word document. Just cut, paste, and delete words from the transcript, and Descript adjusts the video accordingly. Its filler word removal feature is a game changer. With one click, you can eliminate all those ums and ahs from your videos, making you sound polished and professional. You can even use its AI-powered voice cloning feature to add narrations or fix errors without re-recording. Let me share a real-world scenario. Imagine you have recorded a 30-minute investor pitch but want to trim it into a crisp 10 minutes version. Instead of spending hours with a complex editing tool, Descript lets you cut out the fluff in minutes. It's perfect for startups that want to produce high quality video content without breaking the bank. Finally, let's talk about Canva, a favorite for many startups, now supercharged with AI features. If you're not a designer but still want your brand to look professional, Canva is your best friend. Here is what its AI capabilities bring to the table. The AI suggests templates and layouts based on the type of content you are creating, whether it is a pitch deck, social media post, or even a brochure. Need help with text? Canva AI can generate headlines, captions, and even entire body text for your design. Want to personalize designs? The AI can recommend color schemes and styles that match your brand's identity. Let's say you are preparing for a big investor meeting. Canva makes it easy to create a stunning pitch deck that highlights your startup's vision, progress, and goals, all without hiring a designer. One pro tip: use Canva's magic resize feature to repurpose designs for multiple platforms. Create a graphic for Instagram and resize it for LinkedIn or Facebook in seconds. With tools like this, startups no longer need to struggle with limited resources or time. These AI-powered solutions help you work smarter, not harder. But remember, tools are only good as the strategy behind them. If you're serious about scaling your startup, check out my Certified Startup Manager courses. They are packed with actionable resources like journals, templates, one-to-one coaching, hackathons, and a vibrant community of founders just like you. Click the link in the description below to learn more. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Startup Growth Hub. Let's build great businesses together.